You are going to love the 2017 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth, backup camera, alloy wheels, one owner, leather. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.